Hello dear students, welcome you all to the English class today. I am going to introduce some words that use SS. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. We use it for drinking water. It has SS sound last. What are you seeing here? This is a dress. D-R-E-S-S. Wow, it is so pretty. Which color is this? This is red in color. It has SS sound last. What is this picture? This is grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Which color is this? Color of grass is green. It has SS sound last. Look at this picture. What is this? This is chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. This is a game. Do you know this game? It has SS sound last. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word. First correct answer is grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Second answer is dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Third answer is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Last correct answer is chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Do it yourself. Write the missing letters. First one is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Second one is class. C-L-A-S-S, class. Third one is chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Last one is dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Do it yourself. Homework. Try 2 rhyming words that use double S.
Subscribe our channel to know about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.